Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so this week we're making a winter minestrone soup. This soup's perfect for this time of year. It's very hearty and delicious, but it's also nutritious, packed full of vegetables, and it's very simple to make. So we're going to dive straight in. Okay, so the first thing to do is get your pot on, get it on the heat. Make sure you use a thick base pot for this, because otherwise it's just going to catch at the bottom. So get your thick base pot on the heat. Then we'll first of all go in with some olive oil. Then we're going to go in with some pancetta. This is great for this because it's full of flavour. We'll get that in. I'm just going to fry that for a few minutes, get it nice and brown. Okay, so once the pancetta starts to go nice and brown, just turn the heat down a little bit. We're now going to go in with our chopped onions. Down with those. And we're just going to cook these for about 2 or 3 minutes. We don't really want to put any colour on it. Just cook them until they're kind of nice and soft. Okay, so once they've started to go a little bit soft, we're going to go in next with some chopped garlic. Now I've got about 3 cloves of chopped garlic here. I like garlic, but you put as much or as little in as you like. Just let that cook out for another minute. Again, we don't want to put any colour on it. Okay, so next we're going to go in with our I've got some chopped carrots here. I've cut these up nice and small for this. And I've also got some chopped celery as well. I'm just going to give that a few minutes just to soften up. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with some sieved tomatoes or passata. Just go in with that. Or you can use chopped tomatoes if you like. I prefer sieved tomatoes. And I'm also going to go in with some chicken stock. Now obviously if you want to keep this soup vegetarian, just replace that with some vegetable stock and obviously don't use pancetta. Okay, so we're just going to bring this up to a simmer. Okay, so once the soup comes up to a simmer, we're going to just let this cook out for about 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, so our soup's been simmering for about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. So we're just going to go in next with I've got some Savoy Cabbage here. I think this is really nice in this. So go in with that. And we'll cook this out for probably another 15 minutes. This is the good thing about this soup as well. You can actually add any vegetables that you like. Courgettes are quite nice in it, leeks are also very nice in it, so just whatever vegetables you've got, you put them in. Okay, so our soup's been simmering for about another 10-12 minutes now. So the next stage is we're going to go in for beans. Now I'm using Canelini beans for this, but again you can use any other kind of beans that you like. Borlotti beans are quite nice, but I'm using Canelini beans today. These are already cooked, so these are just going to go in now. And I'm also going to go in with some cooked pasta. I'm using a short pasta for this. So use any kind of short pasta. It's good for this. Or if you prefer rice, you can go in with rice. I'm using pasta, I prefer pasta. And all we're going to do now is we're just going to give us another 5 minutes. Then we'll just check it for seasoning and that's it done. Okay, so our soup's about ready now. So I'm just going to check it for seasoning. Maybe just a wee bit more salt, a bit of pepper. And that's us, we're good to go, we're ready to play up. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please give this recipe a go. If you are enjoying my recipes, please remember just to give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please just hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot. and I'll see you all soon.